Hey y'all! Welcome back to my kitchen for more air frying fun. Today we're going to be grilling corn in the air fryer.
For this recipe you will need corn, butter, salt, other preferred spices, and optional tinfoil.
This is a quick and easy recipe. As always, make sure you preheat your air fryer. Gary's outside grilling. I'll have my corn ready just as he pulls the steaks off the grill.
Thoroughly butter your corn.
I'll be cooking the corn two different ways in the air fryer. One ear I'll cook directly in the basket so I get a nice caramelization on the corn, and the second ear I'll wrap in tin foil so that the corn turns out a little juicier and a little softer.
Place your ears of corn into the air fryer basket.
Now we're going to cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. The corn has great caramelization on the top of it. However, the other side of the corn has no grill marks. To fix this, we're going to flip the corn, put it back in the air fryer for 5 more minutes. Your corn's going to be really hot when it comes out of the air fryer, so be careful. Let it rest for a few minutes before you bite into it. I'm going to add a little more butter. Season your corn to taste. I'm using a little sea salt. I like a little Cajun seasoning on my corn. Oh boy, time for the taste test. Let's start with the grilled corn first. This corn tastes great. It has caramelization and it has the same texture as corn cooked on a grill. All it's missing is the smoky flavor of charcoal. Now let's try the corn that we cooked in the tin foil. Wow, the corn cooked in the tinfoil has an intense butter flavor. Y'all, I think the butter cooked right into the corn in the air fryer. This is fantastic. It's soft, it's juicy, and I like this a lot better than cooking it on my stovetop. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see all my latest videos, and don't forget to click like. And leave me a comment to let me know what toppings you like on your corn. Good wishes, good health, and good night.